way to catch him is just drop it beside your boat.
Just drop it down beside the boat in the light and just catch one. We out here June 24th. Of course, the sun ain't even, it ain't the break of dawn yet. Ben showing me how to catch fish under this light. You got a good?
Yeah, he's 2-pounder. Nice 2-pounder. He's a strong 2-pounder.
They are, ain't they? It's unbelievable how strong these fish are. He might not even be a 2-pounder.
He is mighty strong.
Ben catching them on a mooch minnow.
I love this light. You know, if you come out here before daylight, you get to fish and you get to see what you're doing.
Yeah. Ben is wearing me out with that mooch minnow.
I saw Mark sit here and catch 4 and 4 casts the other morning.
Guide's gonna get a big tip today. He's keeping you right in good position.
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing.
Mooch,
Felt like a good one.
mooch man. They're all good.
Woohoo!
Mooch man.
Only problem is it's the only one I got.
Well, I ain't worried about me. I got one too.
And I robbed it off the back of a spinnerbait.
This is a 30-minute window here. Good job.
That's a good fish there.
Good job. That's the one that busted him there just a minute ago. Woohoo! Number 6. He ate it.
My homemade mooch minnow
Double.
catching.
Double.
Double?
Double. Nice fish. Holy mackerel. 3.5 pounds. I got a good one too. Mark would say, them big boys moved in.
Yeah.
He'd be watching them on the scope though. Cheaters.
Cheaters. You can become a cheater if I can figure it out one of these days.
Got the scales?
Yeah.
2 pounds, 14 ounces.
2 pretty fish.
I got him.
Got it?
Here.
All right, just a second. You show them fish to the camera while I reset it. Look at that. Pretty fish.
Mine's longer than yours, but he ain't as fat.
All right. Let him go.
2 pounds, 14 ounces.
2 pounds, 15 ounces. Throw mine back. Throw mine back for me. Thank you. He's taking drag. He's just mad.
You were, I saw you. You quit fishing and started picking your nose and caught that fish.
Yeah, scratched my nose.
Number 9.
Fish number 10 if we get him in. 10 in about 30 minutes.
Nice 2.5 pounder.
Yep, pretty fish.
This is number 11.
For sure.
Whoa! I let that down a little deeper, Doug. It's down about 6 feet. What he said the last 2 or 3 years, yeah. He got big fish. Sunday is a week ago. An 8-pounder. But he didn't win the tournament. 100%. I let him off.
Oh no. Finally caught one.
Double.
Got a double.
My God. My God, poor soul. I'll turn around and look at your fish and let mine lay still and you pick it up.
Yep, they'll do that.
Quit shaking it so much, Ben. You're a good one.
Woo-hoo. Get the camera on old Ben over here now. There's mine. And there's Ben's.
Man, he ate that thing. Nice fish.
You got my worm. Is that 15, Ben?
15.
Get you some of that one.
That bait's bigger than the fish.
I want you to look what a baby that tried to eat that big old trick worm. But he's got 2 eyes and a tail. He counts, Ben.
He's 18. Yeah.
That's, hey, if you move it, you ain't gonna catch fish. That's just crazy, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's number 19, ain't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the house, Ben.
That suits me.
It's getting hot. And I'm tired.
I thought you'd stuck one when you started to come.
I figured you'd think that.
18.
18
We're
fish
done.
by 8 o'clock. Do a little wakeboarding first. Appreciate y'all watching the channel. Hit that subscribe button.